Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a vignette to your photo on VSCO. So, today in front of me is a Galaxy S24 Ultra, and if you want to add a vignette to your VSCO, to your photo on VSCO, first of all you want to open the VSCO application. Then you want to go to the studio, which is this icon right here in the center. And then you want to select the picture that you want to add a vignette. So let's say I want to choose maybe this picture right here. So I'm just clicking on it and then selecting this adjust icon right here. Once I have this photo and editing process, I want to go to the tools, which is this icon right here. And then just by swiping to the right, we can find the vignette icon and vignette option. So just click on it, and here just by swiping we can add the vignette, as you can see right here in the corners. So after all, just click tick to add it, and voila, you have just added vignette to your photo on a VSCO. If you want to save the photo as it is right now without any other editing, of course you can also for example select the exposure, so make it a little bit darker, as you can see right now, and you can also go on with the editing process and add and edit whatever you want. After all, if you want to save, just click next, and here by selecting the save right here, you just want to click save, and this is going to be saved in your VSCO studio. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!